I'm going to introduce you to a camper's dream. It's our no-seam mesh. It's super durable, it's lightweight, it sews tightly, it's machine washable, it's strong enough to lift me, and it's got tons of outdoor uses. There's a couple of rigging methods that we're going to show you right now. The first method we're going to use is called a tarp knot, which is a modified trucker's hitch. Part of the beauty of this knot is that all the friction is held between the rope and the fabric, so there's no extra steps required. And as all good knots should, it only comes apart when you absolutely want it to. The next method we're going to use also involves rope, but with a small object in the mix. This is an old Boy Scout trick where we wrap the fabric around anything smooth and rounded and use a slip knot to cinch it off. This method is perfect for if you need to tie into something that isn't a corner. We used a stone for this demonstration, but you can use a tennis ball, cork, even something as small as a marble. Now, why attach to the center of the net? Maybe you want to make a tent and keep the net off your face. Now, once you have that, you can fasten the other end to a stake, or you can use a tension knot to hook it around a tree. I mean, heck, if you're feeling lazy, you can get creative as you want. Stay tuned and we'll show you heaps more applications you can use. We used cotton rope because it's easier to see. Used paracord. This broke. The net's totally fine. Don't know where the hell the marble went.